If you want to curve text in Photoshop, whether that means bending it into a clean arc, shaping it into a wave, or creating a more stylized banner effect, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to curve text using Photoshop's built-in Warp Text tool. This is a simple method, beginner-friendly, and perfect when you want great-looking text without spending a lot of time adjusting every detail by hand. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, make sure your text is already created on your canvas. If you haven't typed anything yet, go ahead and grab the horizontal type tool from the toolbar. You can also press T on your keyboard to select it quickly. Then click anywhere on your document and type the text you want to curve. You can use a short title, a logo phrase, a banner message, or any other text you want to stylize. Once your text is in place, the next step is to select the text layer in the Layers panel. This is important because Photoshop needs to know exactly which text you want to modify. If you have multiple layers, just click the one that contains the text you want to curve. Now look at the top options bar across the screen. This is where Photoshop gives you controls for the Active tool. Since the Type tool is selected, you should see a Warp Text icon. It looks like a letter T sitting on top of a curved line. Click that icon to open the warp settings. When the Warp Text dialog box appears, you'll see a Style drop-down menu. By default, it's usually set to none, but that's what we're going to change. Click the drop-down and choose a warp style that fits your design. For a smooth curved effect, arc is usually the best starting point. If you want a more dynamic look, you can also try wave or fisheye, depending on the layout you're going for. After choosing your style, the most important control is the bend slider. This slider determines how dramatic or subtle the curve will be. If you move the slider to the left, the text bends downward. If you move it to the right, the text curves upward. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so start slowly and watch how the text changes in the preview. If the curve feels too strong, pull it back a little. If you want a more dramatic banner style look, increase the bend until it matches your design. You can also adjust the orientation if needed, depending on how the text is wrapping around your layout. Take a moment to preview the shape and make sure it looks balanced and readable. The goal is to create a curve that looks intentional and clean, not distorted or too extreme. Once you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the warp. Your text will now be curved inside Photoshop, and you can move it, resize it, or continue editing it just like any other text layer. This makes it easy to use in logos, headers, social media graphics, thumbnails, posters, and more. If the curve doesn't look quite right the first time, don't worry. The best part about using Warp Text is that you can always go back and adjust it again. Just select the text layer, open the Warp Text tool, and fine-tune the bend or style until it looks perfect. And that's the fastest way to curve text in Photoshop using the Warp Text tool. It's a simple feature, but once you know where it is, you can create all kinds of polished text effects in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.